Imagine this. You're at home in your comfy clothes, your kids are finally settled, and instead of scrolling on your phone feeling guilty, you're watching sales come in from a simple digital product you created once and now sell on repeat. No boss, no commute, no fancy degree, just you, your laptop, and a simple system that actually works in real life. If that sounds like something you want, keep watching because in this video I'm going to show you the best online business for moms who want to work from home in 2026. Even if you have no degree, no tech skills, and you're starting on a tiny budget. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar. While the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders, but everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Before we jump in, I made a free video training to help you copy this simple system. It's called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools, and you also get my Digital Product Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide, so you can follow the steps and build your setup right away. You can grab free access using the link below this video and I'll pin it in the first comment too. Now let's get into what actually works for moms in 2026. First, let's be honest about why so many online business ideas feel impossible when you're a mom. A lot of advice is built for people with 8 free hours a day, not women juggling kids, cooking, laundry, appointments, and maybe even a job. Many models require big upfront costs, ads, expensive software, or buying stock. And some ideas, like services or coaching with tons of calls, can completely clash with unpredictable kids' schedules. So when you search online business ideas, you see start a dropshipping store, open an Etsy shop and upload 100 listings, start an agency, post 3 times a day on every social platform, and you think that's great for somebody else. What you need is something you can build in small pockets of time. Something that does not require you to be live all day. Something you can do from home with low energy on the days life feels heavy. And something that doesn't need a huge budget or a degree. That's why the business model that makes the most sense for moms in 2026 is a simple digital product business built on a basic funnel using tools that are beginner-friendly and low-cost. So what is this business? It's a simple digital product business where you create one small, helpful digital product. Put it on a simple page, connected to a simple system that can sell for you even when you're busy with life. A digital product could be things like a short guide or workbook, a template or checklist made in Canva, a mini video workshop where you explain something you already know, a planner, tracker, or a simple system that solves a specific problem. You don't need to be a guru or have a degree. You just need to help someone who is a few steps behind you in something. Maybe you're good at organizing a home with kids. Maybe you figured out a budget system that finally works. Maybe you're great at meal planning, language learning, or product. Or maybe you've already learned some tech or marketing and can simplify it for beginners. The key is one small problem, one simple solution, one digital product. Then instead of trying to be everywhere, you build a simple system around that product so people can discover you, get value, and buy from you without you chasing them. And to do that, you only need 2 main tools: Canva to create your digital product and some simple visuals, System.io to build your pages, connect your email list, and set up your basic funnel. No need for 5 different platforms, 20 logins, or a huge monthly software bill. Now let's break this best online business idea into 3 simple parts you can actually see in your mind: product, page, and path. First is the product. your simple digital offer. Your product is just one small thing that helps another person get a quick win. If you are a mom, the best products are short and focused, easy to make in Canva, or by recording a simple video and they solve a real-life problem someone is already searching for. Here are a few examples. A morning routine for busy moms planner, a meal plan plus shopping list for one specific type of diet, a budget reset workbook for moms who want to feel back in control of money, a content ideas for busy business moms guide. If you like the business and marketing side, you do not start with a huge course. You start with a tiny product priced so it feels easy to say yes quickly, like $7, $17, or $27. You can create things like PDFs, checklists, and planners in Canva. You can also create a slide deck in Canva, add a voiceover, and turn it into a mini video training. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is, does this help someone get a small but real win? Second is the page, your simple sales page in System.io. You need one page where people can buy. This is where System.io helps you a lot. Inside System.io, you can create a simple page using drag and drop blocks. You add a short product description, a few clear bullet points, and a picture of your digital product made in Canva. Then you connect the checkout so someone can enter their card details and get instant access. On that page, you want to answer 3 things. Who is this for? What problem does it solve? What relief or result will they feel after they use it? You do not need a fancy design. A clean, simple page often works better than a page that is overloaded. Third is the path, how people find you and move toward buying. The path is how someone goes from "I have this problem" to "I'm buying your product." A simple path looks like this. A free piece of content on your social media, like a short video, reel, or a simple freebie. An email list connected inside System.io. A few follow-up emails that gently point back to your product and explain how it helps. Here is a simple example. You create a short free guide in Canva, like 5 quick meal ideas for busy moms, and share it on your social media. You offer it on a simple opt-in page in System.io. When someone signs up, they get the free guide, plus a few automated emails that introduce your paid product, like your full meal planning kit. Those emails run on autopilot. So while you are handling real life, your system is quietly working for you. That is the heart of this kind of online business. One product, one page, one simple path. Now let's talk about why this works especially well in 2026. You might be thinking, why this and why now? In 2026, more women than ever want flexible work from home. People are tired of huge courses and information overload. They want quick wins and simple tools. Digital products are easier to deliver and cheaper to create than physical products or complex programs. And tools like System.io and Canva make it possible to do what used to require a full tech team. This means you can start without a degree. You can start without a big audience. You can start without a big budget, and here is your advantage as a mom. You understand real-life problems deeply. You know what it feels like to be tired, overwhelmed, and still need to get things done. If you can create a product that makes another mom's life even a little bit easier, she will feel the value right away. And because this system does not depend on you being on all day, you can build it around your real life, not some perfect schedule. You can work during nap time, in the evenings, on weekends, or whenever your energy is highest. If you're watching this thinking, okay, I need this, go grab my free training called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools. Inside the training, I show you how to pick the right free and affordable tools, how to connect them into one simple system, and how to set up your first product so you can start selling. And you get my Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide so you can take action fast. The link is below this video and in the pinned comment. And if you want support while you build so you do not feel alone, that is what you'll find inside HomeBiz Builders. It's made for women starting from home on a micro budget, and it's built for real life. But start with the free training first. Build your first simple setup, then decide if you want the extra support. You do not need a big budget to start a real online business. You just need one simple product, one simple page, and one clear next step. Go watch the free training and take your first step today.